What's your name?
अनुष्का.
Anushka. How was the paper, Anushka?
बायो मॉडरेट, पिछली बार से तो इजी बोलेंगे, लेंदी नहीं थी. एंड केमिस्ट्री एंड फिजिक्स हार्ड थी पिछली बार से, एंड लेंदी भी थी.
Chemistry and physics were lengthy and hard. So, like, पिछली बार your paper went good or moderate?
मॉडरेट.
Moderate. And this time? Moderate. How much are you expecting?
400 500 प्लस.
4-5. This was the first attempt? Okay, it's fine. So, did you took a gap or you went straight after 12th?
नहीं, गैप.
Gap था, okay. In the first attempt, were you much confident or इस बार?
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ज़्यादा लग रहा था, बट मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है.
सेम ही है. ठीक है, सही है. तो like, do you want to say something about the re-NEET, about your mental pressure?
प्रेशर तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मतलब बिल्कुल छोड़ चुके थे पढ़ना और बिल्कुल चिल कर रहे थे.
वो एक महीना बहुत वो गया होगा.
वही, हाँ.
रात फिर से वही सब
सब बिल्कुल भूल चुके थे. तो नोटबुक्स वगैरह भी भेज दी थी और फिर से
नोटबुक्स आपने बेच दी थी.
हाँ. फिर
How did you arrange?
नहीं, तो वो जिस दिन बेची थी उसी दिन दोबारा मतलब मिल गई, उनसे कॉल वगैरह करके मांग गई, तो एंड ठीक किया, मतलब ठीक है. फिर से
It's okay, it's fine. I hope कि पिछली बार आपका अच्छा गया था, इस बार और भी उससे अच्छा आए. Okay. So do you want to say anything else for the students and nothing else? No? You're happy, right? It went good. Wonderful. All the best to you. What's your name?
My name is Bashir.
Bashak. Okay, hi Bashak. How was the paper?
It was fine. It was like before only, but the physics part was kind of tough. But everything was same.
So physics was little tough as compared to last time.
It was.
And talking about the mental pressure and all, like how was that 1 month went?
It was, I was planning to go to somewhere for a vacation, but that's the thing. मैं वहाँ जा नहीं पाया. That's the only thing. Otherwise, nothing else. It was like okay.
Basically books बंद कर दी थी, फिर से reopen करनी पड़ गई.
Yeah.
तो your mind went.
I was like okay, it's like done finally, but then again.
Again it happened. So first attempt was much nicer with this one.
It was nicer. That was nicer. Yeah.
The strategy कि आपने कम prepare करा और the paper was really difficult.
My strategy was like the पहले जैसी, but something was kind of changed in that paper. मतलब अलग था कुछ. Not the pattern, but something else. The wordplay काफी घुमा फिरा के पूछे गए. Last time was really nice and एकदम straight answers थे. But इस बार काफी घुमा के पूछे गए. I don't know why, but yeah.
And talking about the security and all, so what are your words regarding that?
I don't know. They're doing their job. इनकी क्या ही गलती है? But some people were saying कि ऐसे aircrafts आएंगे ऐसे notes, and teacher was saying कि see these all are sealed, and I was like okay, कोई बात नहीं. So yeah, they're doing their job and it's nice.
Do you have any concern? Do you have any concern or message regarding this re-NEET?
My only concern is this, that if you want to do this, you can do this, but it's not mandatory for you to do this, because by sometimes you have to ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा you've heard कि बहुत बच्चे ने suicide भी कर लिया है because of this, like 19 students, some from Uttarakhand, some from Jharkhand. So it shows कि बच्चा किस level पे इस चीज़ को ले जाता है mentally. Parents think कि नहीं ये normal है, but नहीं, उसके दिमाग में एक चीज़ बहुत ही एक तरह से बहुत ही उसको प्रेशराइज करती है.
एक चीज़ पढ़ रहे हैं हम and then
in a snap it happens कि सब बदल गया, and it just breaks a person's mind and hurt. That's what I'm gonna say.
What's your name, ma'am? Trishika, how was the paper?
Physics was tough, chemistry was moderate, and bio was so easy.
So easy. So as compared to the first NEET attempt, how was this paper?
Little bit tough था, but physics थोड़ी tough थी और lengthy भी थी. Like questions बहुत लंबे थे, तो पढ़ने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही थी. बाकी but जो bio थी काफ़ी ज़्यादा जल्दी हो गई थी, like 40 minutes में, तो वो manage हो गया था वैसे time.
Manage हो गया था. तो like जो आपका first NEET attempt था, उसमें you were much confident or this time?
उसमें I was a little bit more confident, क्योंकि तब ज़्यादा पढ़ा था. अब थोड़ा मेंटली प्रिपेयर होने में भी टाइम लग गया था, 1 महीना, तब कम पढ़ा था. लाइक 2 दिन में हमने तैयारी करी थी और अब पेपर दिया था आगे, तो इतनी होप्स नहीं थी बट इस पेपर से, बट बेटर गया होप्स के थे.
How much you expecting?
फिजिक्स को देख के तो 550 plus.
550 plus, wonderful. Okay. So in short, the paper went good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, my name is Simran Kaur. What's your name? Sunidhi. How was the paper, Sunidhi?
It was like a medium level, but mine went well.
Went well. As compared to the first NEET attempt, how was the paper this time?
Much more difficult than before.
Okay, this was difficult.
Yeah, it was difficult.
It was difficult. Okay, so like the first NEET attempt था, उसमें you were much confident or this time?
Sorry. I was much confident this time because like I have given more time.
You have been through the paper already, so you were like, ho jayega.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, great. So how much are you expecting?
Like 600 something. You know.
600 something. That's nice. That's very nice. So why are you saying इस बार अच्छा नहीं गया? This is so nice ना.
Just accept some 700 times. So.
नहीं, it will be a great. अच्छा गया था, पिछली बार भी अच्छा गया था, इस बार भी बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.